Parang, syempre parang...
Samaan ng loob, ganyan.
Well, sana hindi na kasi nanalo naman na siya. Pero kahapon nakakatuwa yung parang I said na, I was there. I was with Arlie and Pia and Rachel. And then I showed my photos and videos and we were breathing. She was so happy. Oh my God, you were there, Mama. Gumuno naman siya.
So all is for
Hindi,
that.
and all is well, right? Kasi parang they were talking about how sila Harley were talking about how Pia and Catriona were also connected. Kumbaga they became friends.
They met They met with Rachel. We were talking about everything.
Even Rachel was from another camp. Wala na.
Yeah,
Wala na distinction.
Kaya dapat next year unified.
You know,
Team PH na lang tayo lahat.
So
And
no
it's
more
your
Team
diversity.
Yeah.
If there's something that came out of this, it's
Well,
unity.
alam ko diverse ang mga Becky sana pero maging unified na, no? Mas diverse ang mga Becky kaysa cultural diverse.
Mama J, who was your next candidate after Catriona? Or were you rooting for another person? Yung tingin mo may
I can't do
laban.
that now. Like, yeah, it would... No, I can't.
cannot.
Yeah, parang... How will I say that? Medyo vague na. So,
Alright.
I don't know what's happening I was so stressed yesterday. Like, what's happening about the franchise, mga ganyan, parang okay. Medyo nalilito ako.
Ano na pala latest sa franchise? But
No, I don't know kasi it wasn't part of the topic kasi Parang nagulat na lang ako and then even me, I was like stressed about it and then I was texting them nga sa Bangkok nga, what's happening with the news today? I didn't know where it come from.